Hey everyone, it's me Megs, and I'm here to show you all how I achieved this super cute braid out on my bob. So let's get started. So today I'm going to use Africa's Best Original line, and I'm going to use the olive oil shampoo. Africa's Best olive oil shampoo is super creamy, you guys, and it's formulated with extra virgin olive oil, and that is my favorite oil because it stimulates thinning hair and revitalizes dry and itchy scalp. This shampoo was super gentle on my hair and it was non-stripping, and it just gave my scalp a really nice calm feel. So I rinsed out the shampoo and my hair feels amazing, and I like to let my hair air dry just a little bit before deep conditioning. And I'm going to use the cholesterol tea tree oil conditioner. And this conditioner is enriched with natural herbal extracts and botanicals to help repair and revitalize dry, damaged, and overprocessed hair. And it also has a dual purpose. So it's also a leave-in conditioner and a rinse-out conditioner. So you can use it both ways. And it's great as a pre-poo, okay? It smells really good and helps strengthen your hair. So when I have lots of new growth, I like to make sure I apply conditioner to my new growth area to make sure I take care of that to avoid breakage and to also soften the new growth, because that is a line of demarcation and you want to make sure you condition that area also. So I start at the roots and work my way down and split the sections in half to make sure I get all of the hair conditioned with conditioner. And then I just go ahead and twist each section because it's just easier. I like to keep things as neat as possible. And in the back, I do not split my hair because I do have a bob and I just want to make sure I don't manipulate in that area too much. And I'm just going to pin everything up with a clip, put on a plastic cap, and I sit underneath a hooded dryer for about 15 minutes to really get my deep condition on. So after that, I just rinse my hair out in the shower, and I make sure I'm really gentle with that. And my hair has a lot of slip and my new growth feels amazing. So for this braid out style, I did part it, and I'm going to let my hair air dry a little bit before I start to manipulate in my hair to do the braid out. And my hair feels so soft. So I did a side part for this braid out for a deep side part style. Next, I'm going to use Africa's Best Originals Olive Oil Leave-In Conditioner. And this conditioner is fortified and enriched with extra virgin olive oil. And I love olive oil, as I said before, it's my favorite oil. And it goes beyond just conditioning by reaching a higher level of hair moisturizing. And it gave my hair so much slip, y'all. So I make sure I apply this from the ends and work my way up in sections. Using leave-in conditioner is super important, especially when you have some new growth if you are relaxed, but these products can definitely be used by all hair types, you guys. So I like applying the leave-in conditioner first before I detangle because it just allows my hair to have way more slip when you apply some product before detangling. So my hair feels really good, it's nice and fluffy, so I'm ready to moisturize. And I'm going to use Africa's Best Aloe Anti-Breakage Growth Oil Lotion. And I have to say, this is my favorite product within the line that I've tried. And you know, I love moisturizers. And with consistent use, it helps with avoiding breakage. It helps moisturize your hair. And overall, your hair will be a lot more healthy. So I always start at the ends first and work my way up. And make sure I apply the moisturizer in sections. So my hair is a bit damp right now, and that is totally okay, and that's actually what I want when it comes to doing braid outs. So now I'm going to use the olive and clove oil therapy to seal in the moisturizer that I just applied to my hair, and this just gives your hair a really nice juicy moisturized braid out. And I really enjoyed how this smelled. It gave my hair some really nice shine and slip, and it really sealed in that moisturizer that we just applied. So I make sure I apply that to my ends, work my way up, and make sure I apply this in sections. So when I go ahead and start braiding my hair, the product is thoroughly on my hair, and I just kind of comb through to make sure it's distributed evenly. So now my hair is nice and juicy, so I'm going to go ahead and start my braid here. I really love doing braid outs, especially when I have lots of new growth like I do right now. It just helps with low manipulation, so I'm not manipulating too much in my hair. So this braid out tends to last me a few days, especially when I do it like this. And I also can keep my hair like this, and it works as a protective style. So, but we're not going to do that. We're going to wear our braid out. So we're going to let this dry a little bit overnight. put the scarf on because we want to make sure we protect our hair overnight so our hair will be nice and fresh and remain moisturized overnight. This is a satin scarf, and this is how I tie my scarves at night, like this. And I make sure that my nape is nice and covered and my hair is nice and neat and lays flat. So when I wake up the next morning, I'm ready to style my hair. My hair is dried, and I'm going to go back in with the olive and clove oil therapy to unravel the braid. So I always start off with adding a bit more oil to the ends to help prevent any frizz and just to, give my hair some extra love and care. So my hair is turning out really bomb. Like, I love my results. My hair feels so soft and it smells so good. My braid out is very, very juicy, and I love this oil. The oil smells so good and feels so good on my hair. So I definitely make sure I start at my ends because I want to make sure I keep my ends nice and healthy and moisturized and work my way up. And as you can see, my hair dried great. And my hair feels amazing and my waves are bomb. So I'm just going to fluff these out a little bit, but make sure I don't get too rough with it because I want to make sure I keep it nice and defined. So these are my results, you guys, and I absolutely love how my hair feels, especially being that I'm a couple weeks post relaxer. And I want to say thank you so much to Africa's Best for collaborating with me on this video. And if you are interested in trying out some of Africa's Best products for yourself, check out my description below for more information on where you can get yours. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys later.